Good evening, everybody. John Conigilo, 24 Taylortown Road, Montville. So first I would just like to thank everyone that came out for Read Across America to come to our schools. The students and the staff enjoyed seeing everybody come out and coming into our schools and coming into our classrooms. So thank you for coming out for that, much appreciated. Secondly, my family and I went to also see The Little Shop of Horrors on Friday, which was outstanding. My children had never actually seen the movie or anything, so it was all kind of new to them. And as soon as we got home, they asked if we had the movie, and we busted out the DVD, and it was good. So very well done, excellent play. It was nice to see some former students up there in high school performing, which is awesome. So kudos to everybody that was involved in that thing. That was just totally amazing. Students, staff. Even Mr. Carl down there with the drums, and our other staff members that were in the musicians there. It was really fun to see. So thank you to everybody that participated there. My one item that I wanted to bring up tonight was something that we've discussed a couple times, or I've discussed a couple times with the board, and it's something that I would like to discuss another time. It's dual language. So from what I understand, we are going to continue with this dual language program going into 4th grade next year. So currently it's K through 3, and from what I am gathering and hearing, it's going to progress to a 4th grade level. Now, as I stated earlier, 2 months ago or 3 months ago, whenever the last time I spoke about it, I have, and the staff here has very serious concerns about this program. There currently is nothing on the district website about dual language. I'm wondering if the parents even fully understand what this program is, if the board truly understands what this program is, because there is not a lot of information available. And if this is something that we're offering, we should be proud of this. We should be publicizing this. But we have some serious concerns here. And about 2 months ago, we looked at test scores, and I know some members of the public were upset with the test scores. And these students that are in these dual language programs are not doing well, just gonna be honest. And what I would like to see, and I think what the board should be able to see, are results from K through 3 for the students that are currently in dual language and the students who are not in dual language in the same grade level. Because you're gonna see a difference. And this is a serious, serious issue that we need to really look at. And I'm really passionate about this, and I've spoken, as you know, multiple times about this, and we really need to look at this and look at the scores and get some data. Is this working? Because if it's not working, we need to change it. And this is, I would say this is the #1 thing for staff right now. And when we look at test scores and we say, what's happening? Why are we failing? Why are we not being proficient? That's coming down on our staff. And we have to fix this. We have to understand what's happening here, that students can't read in 3rd grade. That's a problem. We need to look at that. Thank you.
Do you have any comments on that?
No, and I definitely understand that there has been concerns with dual language, you know, and I will share that with the committee that went down to North Plainfield and did the visit. They were very impressed with the results that they were providing in North Plainfield. We were also able to look at data in North Plainfield, how the growth was going, and they've had now the program for about 8 years. And like I mentioned in my superintendent report, you know, we realize that we are doing some good things, and there are other areas that we need to grow in, and we're going to continue to make those efforts as a team to continue to grow our dual language program. And I'll definitely revisit to see to make sure that there is more than enough information out there for our families and our community to be able to read up on it as well.
Thank you. Anybody from the board have any other comments?
I have a question. Mr. Jaime, is this, I know that it's been, the dual language program has been in motion for, this is our 3rd year or 4th year?
Going into our 4th year.
Is this the first year in which students will be taking the first standardized testing?
For 3rd grade.
For 3rd grade?
Correct.
Okay, so maybe this year we will, early next year, we will see the results of these tests and we can compare.
Correct.
Okay.
So I guess the question is also the iReady data.
Mm-hmm.
Is that, you know, is that showing growth at the same rate for the students in dual language as opposed to those not?
I would have to sit and look at comparison. I know there's been some growth. I just wouldn't have that. I wouldn't want to
Oh,
speak
yeah.
without having all that information with me.
Okay.